Welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. If you're a speed enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who appreciates raw power on two wheels, today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a machine that continues to dominate the hyperbike category with unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that screams pure aggression. So, buckle up and get ready to explore every detail of this beast. Let's get started. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R has always been a marvel of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. Since its introduction, it's been a track-only monster, designed for those who crave speed beyond limits. The 2026 model takes things even further, refining its aerodynamics, power delivery, and technology to create an even more thrilling riding experience. Kawasaki has always been at the forefront of motorcycle innovation, and the 2026 H2R is a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this is no ordinary bike. The aggressive stance, the sharp bodywork, and the signature winglets all hint at the insane power that lies beneath the fairings. Under the hood, or rather under the sleek carbon fiber bodywork, the 2026 H2R packs a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine. This powerhouse is capable of producing an eye-watering 310 horsepower, with the Ram Air system pushing it even further. The sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine, a symphony of high-pitched whines and deep guttural roars that announce its arrival long before you see it. But Kawasaki didn't stop at just raw power. The 2026 model features improved engine efficiency with upgraded cooling systems and a reworked supercharger that delivers smoother yet more explosive acceleration. This means you get insane power without compromising on reliability, a crucial factor for a bike built to dominate the track. One of the most talked about features of the Ninja H2R has always been its aerodynamic. The 2026 version takes things to the next level with enhanced carbon fiber winglets that generate even more downforce at high speeds. This keeps the bike stable even when pushing past 250 mph, ensuring that riders stay in complete control. The redesigned fairings also contribute to reduced drag, allowing for even greater speed potential. Beyond just speed and stability, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is packed with advanced electronics to enhance rider confidence. The latest Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS, traction control and launch control ensure that you can push the bike to its limits while staying safe. The 2026 model also introduces an improved AI-assisted riding mode, which adapts the bike's settings based on track conditions, rider input, and real-time telemetry. Speaking of telemetry, the new digital instrument cluster is more advanced than ever. With a high-resolution TFT display, riders can monitor everything from speed and RPM to lean angle, lap times, and even G-forces. The system also allows for seamless connectivity with Kawasaki's Rideology app, giving riders the ability to review performance data and fine-tune settings directly from their smartphone. Of course, a bike this powerful needs a chassis that can handle the extreme forces at play. Kawasaki has reinforced the trellis frame, making it both lighter and stronger than before. The suspension system has been fine-tuned with Öhlins electronically controlled shocks, ensuring that every turn, acceleration, and braking maneuver feels razor-sharp. Braking performance is equally impressive with Brembo-style EMA calipers, gripping massive disc brakes. Whether you're coming down from triple-digit speeds or taking on sharp corners, the braking system provides unparalleled stopping power and control. Now let's talk about what it feels like to actually ride the 2026 Ninja H2R. The moment you twist the throttle, you're met with an instant surge of power. The acceleration is almost surreal, pinning you to the seat as the bike rockets forward with an intensity that few motorcycles can match. The aerodynamic design and downforce from the winglets keep the bike stable even as you push towards its mind-blowing top speed. The handling is razor-sharp, allowing experienced riders to carve through corners with surgical precision. Despite its aggressive nature, the advanced electronics make it surprisingly manageable if you respect its power. This is not a bike for the faint-hearted, but for those who have the skill to tame it, the experience is nothing short of exhilarating. Another aspect that sets the Ninja H2R apart is its exclusivity. This isn't a bike you'll see every day, and owning one is a badge of honor among motorcycle enthusiasts. Kawasaki continues to produce it in limited numbers, making each unit a collector's dream. Of course, a bike like this comes with a premium price tag. While the exact pricing for the 2026 model hasn't been officially announced, expect it to be in the same ultra-premium range as its predecessor. But for those who can afford it, the Ninja H2R isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a statement, and a piece of engineering history. Now let's discuss who this bike is for. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not meant for everyday commuting or casual weekend rides. It's a track-focused hyperbike built for riders who crave the absolute pinnacle of performance. Whether you're a professional racer, a serious track enthusiast, or a collector with a passion for high-performance machines, this bike is designed to thrill. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R continues to redefine what's possible on two wheels. With its insane power, cutting-edge aerodynamics, advanced electronics, and exclusivity, it remains the ultimate track weapon. Kawasaki has once again raised the bar, proving that when it comes to pushing the limits of speed and technology, they are in a league of their own. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. What do you think about this absolute monster of a bike? Would you take it for a spin on the track if given the chance? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and keep chasing speed.